guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming to you tonight with a product that I ordered off of QVC. Yes, I'm a QVC shopper. I totally am. I was sitting there watching QVC and they had a today's special on, and I was like, okay, let's see what this special is about. But as you saw in the title, the product that I ordered from QVC was the Tweed by Nature Restore Cleansing hair treatment, and it's in the tub. It's a huge tub. Look how big this tub is, and you get quite a bit. It was like a today's special value, so it came with the cleansing treatment and it came with a body butter. But tonight we're going to talk about the cleansing hair treatment. So I haven't tried it or anything yet. I did open it up. This one here is the I think it's pronounced Yogi-Berry. So it smells really, really good. It smells really, really good. Let me come in closer so you can see it. And I'm gonna list everything down below. So this from this treatment here, this hair treatment here, it's a 5-in-1. I'm looking at my little notes here. It's a 5-in-1 hair treatment. Hair treatment, shampoo, cleanser, and detangler, and shine enhancer. And it's supposed to be a one and done product. So it's supposed to help with split ends, damage hair. And here is how thick it is. And I believe you get 16 ounces in this tub. 16 ounces. It's super thick. Just put my hand in to make sure it's not gonna fall out. But yeah, it's super thick. Just like that. And so what I want to do, oh, it smells so good. It smells like berries. I don't know if you remember the guy, he invented this. It was the Ojon guy, Dennis somebody. I'm gonna list it down below. But yeah, his products always had like a shea butter or strong kind of smell, but they were good for your hair. All of his products, I mean, they really did help your hair, help repair your hair and everything. And I used to use like his shampoo and conditioners when my hair was straight, and it really did help with kept my hair nice and my ends nice and my hair nice and healthy. So I did like his products. So I wanted to try this this hair treatment to see if it will work on my natural hair to help, don't you know, I guess keep my curls healthy, hydrated and stuff. So I just wanted to see if it'll work on my type of hair, because I looked on the YouTube channel and I didn't see any videos, but he said it was for all hair types, but I didn't see any videos on this product for natural hair. But he did say on the show that it's for all hair types. And he did have one girl on there. She had thick curly hair, but they didn't do a lot. They didn't really show anything, how you put it on and all that. So I wanted to try it out and see if it will work on my thick curly hair. So the first thing you supposed to do is put this on dry hair. You're supposed to put it on dry hair. Do not wet your hair, because I guess it's like a pre-poo. You know how you pre-poo your hair, and you pre-poo it on dry hair. So that's what you're supposed to do first. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna section my hair and then I'm gonna come back. Okay guys, I sectioned my hair. See here, let me see if I can get you a little bit closer. I don't know if you can see, sorry about that. Get you closer. So here's my hair. This is a 5-day-old wash and go that I had. So this is my hair. It's pretty dry, so I know I need some good old moisture in it. So just pulling it apart gently. So I'm gonna start off with a smaller piece first. Let's start off with the smaller piece, and it's very tangly. Get it on my shirt. All right, let's start off with this piece. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, this is how thick it is. And he said that on the when I was watching the show, he said you only need a teaspoon. You don't need a lot. What curly girl is only going to use a teaspoon of product? Tell me, what curly girl is going to do that? But anyway, it's pretty. Look how thick it is. So you suppose on the show, you're supposed to only use a teaspoon or that much, because I remember the lady doing this. Yeah, I'm being goofy, but yeah. So I'm going to start off with this amount on my dry hair. You're supposed to put it in your hands, and you're supposed to rub it together. Looks, and then I'm gonna start working it. Okay, feels good. Going on. I can detangle. It's like a pre-poo, I guess. Pretty much like a pre-poo. All you need is a little bit. He said you don't need a lot. I'm putting some more on here. That much more to get my ends together again. Okay guys, I'm back. I still have the product on my hair. It's already been, I kept it on 5 minutes, so it's been 5 minutes. And take this section down. I have my spray bottle. It's warm, really warm water in here. So, because I wanted to show you guys if it's gonna suds, if I can detangle, if it's gonna really work on my hair. So I'm gonna just do this section first. So here's this section here. It feels nice and soft. And this is my hair that I had when I detangled. So that's not bad. That's my detangled hair. I'm sure it's still some more shed hair in here. Because I didn't really detangle it that much. I just kind of did this to help break loose some of those tangles, pull it apart. All right, so let's add, it said add just a little water on there and it'll start to suds up a little bit. It's not going to be a lot of suds, but it's going to be able, you'll be able to like run your hands, I guess, on your hair like a shampoo. That's what it's supposed to be, like a cleanser. It's supposed to be like a cleanser. So here we go. Let's try it. I got my towel here. Start with my ends. Okay, let's try again. Let's see. That's more than a little water, but I have thick hair. So there we go. Ooh, I feel those tangles coming out. Feels nice and moisturized. Okay. I'm liking that. But there's no suds. But my hair feels so soft. There, guys, look at there. Okay, it loosened those tangles up for me. Okay. I like the way that feels. Okay. Some more little shed hairs here. Side on. And this side up. A little bit of more water. Okay guys, I am back out the shower. Got water everywhere. Do have a top on here. So I just wanted to show you that I rinsed everything out. I was able to detangle my hair and the tangles just glided right out of my hair. My hair feels nice and soft. I feel hydrated. And look at the definition. I do have curl definition there. It's nice and soft. And here's the side here. Nice curl definition. And it smells good. It doesn't, it's like the smell is really gone, but just the pinch that's there, which that's fine. But yeah, I like this. It was easy to detangle and everything. And let me show you, this is how much hair that was in the tub. When I cleaned my tub, after I got finished out the tub, in the little, I have a little drain, a little thing that catches the hair. That's how much was hair that was in the sink, in the tub. And then here's the hair that I was detangling with when I was putting the product on. So I'll take this any day. I will take this amount of hair any day for doing my hair. But anyway, yeah, I love the products, and no reason I wanted to try this because of the Ojon products that the guy that used to sell or used to have. It worked great on my straight hair. My hair was healthy, it looked strong, it was shiny. So I wanted to try the Tweed by Nature product out to see if it will work on my curly hair to help make it nice and strong and healthy, and maybe we can get a little bit more length going on since I'm trying to grow my hair out a little bit more. But yes, here's my product. Let me turn around. Here's my hair. So anyway, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna style my hair like I always do. I'm gonna do a wash and go. I'll probably use this product here, my curls, and then that's it. So I just wanted to share that product with you guys. Would I repurchase it? That product, it's so much in here. Let's see, it's so much in here that, and if it keeps my hair from shedding and having all that hair or stuff in the sink, yes, I will repurchase it again. Okay guys, I thought I would come back and show you how I'm styling my hair after I rinsed all the product out. So I am using my curls and my Kiki Curly Custard. And this is what the back looks like. I got the product in the back of my hair. So that's what it looks like with the products in. So I'm gonna finish it up and keep putting my products on my hair. So once I get everything in my hair, then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you how I show you the results. Let me just show you this piece here. So just re-wet it. This is my blueberry milk. That much. My hair feels really nice. Feels nice. And I don't have that, I haven't gotten any of that shedding. You know how when you're doing your hair, you're putting your products on, you get that shedding too. I haven't gotten that yet. So that's a plus. Okay. Curly custard. Okay guys, I have all my products in. This is my wet results. Turn around here. So I'm I'm going to let it air dry for 30 minutes to an hour, and then I am going to sit under the dryer, and then in the morning I'll come back and I'll show you my results. Alrighty guys, good morning guys. I am back to show you my hair. So my hair should be dry. My hair is all the way dry. Is it dry? The curl definition. Shine. Still smells nice. Not overwhelming at all. Scrunch it out with my argan oil. Crunch that I have is from my kinky curly custard. Okay guys, here's my results. My hair is nice and shiny. It feels nice and soft. It feels like it's hydrated. And it has lots of definition. It feels like it's more, more fuller today or something. It smells nice, a soft berry, just a very soft hint, a little berry smell. So it's not overwhelming at all. And yeah, so I do like this Tweet by Nature cleansing. It's a 5-in-1 cleansing cream. So I do like this. This is something that you can use once a week because it did not strip my hair. My hair felt nice and moisturized. I was able to detangle my hair. And I did have curl definition. I felt that my hair, when I was washing it, it wasn't clumping together, but I did see that I have that definition. And I just used this one product to cleanse my hair. Detangling, it was great. It was the shine, gave it lots of shine. And the treatment itself, when you put it on dry hair, that was just amazing there, because you're thinking, is this gonna really do something by just putting this on my thick hair? But it actually did strengthen my hair, because I showed you guys just that little bit of hair that was in the tub. My hair was strengthened, but it was nice and soft. It didn't feel like it had a ton of protein or whatever in it, but I know that my hair was nice and strong and felt healthy. So yeah, so I will be incorporating that cleansing treatment into my regimen. Anyway, I hope you guys like my results, and I'm gonna put the information down below if you want to read more about it. But yeah, alrighty, have a great day. I see you in my next video.